As expected, a straight bearish continuation still began to pause near the intersection of the spiral, time zone line, and the 160 range, which could provide an opportunity for an arc back up to the 180s. However, if there's even just one close under 160 in the next 5 to 7 days, selling confidence can resume to target falling onto 149 towards the end of the month. Then for the block chart, contact over 184 but with relatively weak volume. So if price firmly keeps closing in the 80s, there can be another attempt to break over 84 in the very near future. Otherwise, price can keep drifting around the established range, approximating the spiral back towards 75, to improve conditions towards filling in the gap up from a few weeks back. Then remember to subscribe and stay tuned for coverage of more charts and a series on how to use Fibonacci time zones releasing tomorrow. Now back on to Boeing stock chart where the long-awaited descending triangle has finally completed, meaning even a strong bullish retracement would have difficulty crossing over 200. On the other hand, if price can't hold over 177 and recontact 189 by the end of the month, bearish confidence can resume for another steep drop, in which case 167 becomes the next major lower boundary to watch.